Today we have a video from New York Detective, and the title of the video is Woman's Airport Outburst Causes Her to Miss Her Son's Graduation.
On June 20th, 2025, officers responded to Orlando International Airport after reports of an intoxicated passenger causing a disturbance.
There's no time on it.
She's intoxicated.
Go ahead.
Telephone to speak where we make announcements, and then now she ran to the
I was trying to go on my flight.
You totally too drunk, and they're not going to let you fly. Are you guys going to rebook her or what?
already rebooked her.
But
Okay,
they gave
so
me me a flight.
Yeah. Tomorrow at noon? Okay. Come on, let's go back up
They
front.
didn't give me a good one.
That's the only flight we have available.
No, give me my.
That's not what you want.
You already threw it away.
No, because it said invalid.
That's your
Can you give me
reservation.
another one, please?
I'll give you another one, Pat.
For the boarding pass?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you give me another one because
He's getting it. He's getting it. He's getting it. He's getting it. I don't know why they come here and get drunk like this and think they can fly. Girl, I can smell it from here.
No, that's
I drank.
Yes, you did.
I did drink, but I was just wondering what.
Yeah. Well, you should have waited till you got there and get towed up.
it's too easy.
It's true.
I can smell it from here, and they don't want you on the plane with it. So that's why. Okay. Well, we're gonna go back down this way.
I don't know why people get drunk at the airport. I really don't get it.
These motherfuckers should have let me sleep on the plane.
It don't work that way.
It works. It works that way. It works that way. Do you not give wine? Do you not give wine and liquor on the
Here you
plane?
go.
Do you not give wine and liquor on the plane?
Here we go.
And when the mother gets drunk on the plane, do you not you kick them off the plane? What? You do not open up the plane and kick them out? What? Oh. Let me coach. Oh, let me look. You didn't get drunk. Oh, let me kick them off the plane.
Hey.
What's your language, please?
That's it. No, what? What do you mean no? That's for tomorrow.
No, it says not valid for travel. And it says passenger incinerated. No,
This is the new one.
No, it's not.
What time is your flight for tomorrow?
It says not valid.
12:10. 12:10. Economy. 12:10.
This is not valid for travel.
Hey,
I need it. No. My son is graduating, you know.
hey, come here.
I can read.
Can you explain to her this ticket?
It says not valid for travel.
That's a reservation, so tomorrow at noon, she has to go to the ticket counter. With that information, they print the boarding pass.
Okay.
Okay.
That's what it is.
That
Okay,
makes
you
sense.
got it now? All right.
Okay. With my
That's-
ID
we got
and
it.
everything else?
All right.
Thank you.
This way. You're gonna go to jail for
Why?
disorderly conduct. Let's go.
What?
What? Let's
I
go.
didn't do anything wrong.
Keep moving.
So I'm going to jail for disorderly conduct. Right. You know what? Let's do it. Let's mistake.
Okay. Perfect. Keep moving. Keep moving.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Okay. Well, here's the deal. We got the
I didn't
airport.
do anything wrong.
Listen to me, man. We got the airport operations coming out, and they're going to ask you to leave. All right. If you
So
fail
I'm
to
leaving,
leave,
but I'm not going to
All right.
jail.
all right. I don't want to take you to jail. So.
I'm not going to jail.
All right, let's go.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Besides get highly intoxicated at the airport.
Man.
No, you guys are idiots.
Okay.
You're almost there. Keep moving.
Shut up, my left.
Don't
my
tell me to
left.
shut up. Get on the escalator. Let's
I
go.
have to see where my left is.
Get up on the escalator.
I have to see where my left is.
Up into the right.
How are you shut the up, you stupid
go.
ass?
Let's go. Almost there.
Yep, you're done. Got her ass together, boy. Now that's what I'm talking about. Hold up. She says, shut the F up, you stupid ass. Okay, got her ass together, boy. And that's a big boy, too. So his weight crashing down on her, oh, yeah, she felt it, boy.
Go. Almost there.
Oh, my God.
I didn't do anything.
You hit an officer. Way to go. Go to jail. Stop resisting.
I got the leg.
You touched me first. Are you really? Can I get my glasses? I can't see anything.
Get him.
Can I get my glasses? Can I get
You
my
don't hit an
glasses?
officer.
Can I get my glasses? I can't see anything. Oh, you really, guys?
Yep, really.
Can I get my glasses?
Stop.
Can you not do that?
Roll to your side, and we're going to help you up, okay?
Can you not do that? That was not
Roll
right.
to your right side.
You hit me first. You hit me first.
Bring your knees up.
You hit me first.
Come on. Bring your knees up.
You hit me first.
You got it. Man up.
You hit
Come
me
on.
first. You have the cam on, right?
Get your shoe.
You have the cam on, right?
Yep. You got one more. You got one more.
First. At least it's not Polk County. Can you put this? Can you put this?
Yeah, we'll get it.
Oh, that's not nice.
Car's back at 2:30.
That's not
You
nice.
have one of these cards?
There's so much criminals out here.
Yeah, I do.
There's so many.
to the elevator.
There's so many criminals.
I know, right? You're doing good. Come on.
How are you? I didn't do anything to you. You did. You hit me first.
You on level 2?
Yes, I'm on 2.
My hand.
Hit the button.
It's okay. You wanted to arrest me. It's fine.
You had every opportunity.
It's fine. It's fine. I just did this to you.
Stop. Here we go. Come on.
Fine. I am not a mean person. Why are you?
Face the wall.
Thank you. Yeah, because Sam's doing one here. We're doing a level 2, and that's quartered out. So we're coming down the elevator right now.
It hurts.
Stop.
It hurts.
Yeah. Stop moving. Stop moving.
When we get there, we'll
Quit trying to
adjust
stop moving. Stop moving.
Ow, why are you bending my hand?
I'm not bending your hands. Stop
Yes,
moving.
you
Stop
are.
moving. Quiet. Quit trying to scratch us.
You have the camera?
Over here.
Why are you bending it? I am not even resisting anything. What's wrong with you? Why are you so... Do you hate women? Do you hate women? Do you guys hate women? I didn't even do anything wrong. Ow, I just want to put my hands down.
We're going to change it in just a minute.
Oh. Let me put my hands down. What is wrong with you? I didn't do anything wrong to you. I will sue you. I will sue you. I have money. I will sue you. You don't even know who. Right? 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 Oh, you don't know how much money I have. Yeah, go ahead. What's your name?
Leave my report.
What's your name?
Keep moving. We're almost there.
I'll get it on the police report. I'm gonna sue you. I'm gonna sue the shit out of you. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything wrong.
Yeah.
I'm gonna sue you both.
Yeah, we got
Right up against the car. Right here.
Can you let my arms go?
You get a fight?
No,
You got
I
scratched?
didn't. I didn't fight from.
just
Please stop.
I didn't.
If she doesn't stop, we'll just cut the bag.
I never. No. I was just holding my bag.
Well, we're gonna take it off here in a second.
Do we want to slip another set of cuffs on one at a
I
time?
never saw.
Okay. You're doing great. Just stay right here.
This way.
Let the bags go. Do you have anything on you that can stick me, poke me, hurt me?
No.
No? You have on a sports bra or anything, or no?
Is there anything in your person that shouldn't be in jail? Because you don't like getting another charge.
It will turn into a felony.
Okay.
I was going.
I understand. I just need to make sure I don't want to get another
She
charge.
ain't got nothing. She got through security.
Okay. I need to turn around just a little bit right here. No drugs or anything, right?
No.
Put her in. We're good? Go ahead and get her. Have a seat. Gotta put your legs up. Go in there.
I know.
Okay.
Can you?
Go ahead. I'm gonna put your seatbelt on.
What's going for my son's graduation? What's wrong with you guys? And this hurts.
And it's not gonna be comfortable, but you gotta make it work for now. That's kind of loose.
Whatever.
Let's turn it on and turn the air on.
She was charged with disorderly conduct and battery on a law enforcement officer. Share your thoughts in the
I do think that she should be charged with disorderly conduct. I think that's the appropriate charge. As far as the battery on the Leo, I understand it. She did technically batter a Leo, but she was provoked by being pushed first. And I know it's an unpopular opinion. I know y'all gonna be typing, but she isn't wrong. She was touched first, but it doesn't work like that. Pretty much, cops can touch you and you can't touch them. That's the reality. That's really the reality that we live in. So it is what it is. But I do think disorderly conduct is definitely appropriate. For sure. 100%. She's way too drunk at the airport. And I do believe her. She says she got money. I believe her because to get drunk at the airport costs a lot. Okay? Like, we know the airports, man, it's like $6 for a water. So it get crazy. The prices get crazy at the airport. So, and I know people like to go and have a good time and all of that stuff, but man, like the officer said, get to where you get into and then get crazy, and that's how I do it. When I travel, I don't drink none of that stuff at the airport. First of all, it's gonna have me going to the bathroom and all that stuff. Like, I don't want to be doing all of that. So when I touch down, get to the hotel or the Airbnb, whatever, get your stuff together, you know what I'm saying? Unpack, take a shower, get the drinks flowing. We out, we partying. It's party time now, but not at the airport. Nah, I just get on there, listen to my music, and I go to sleep. I'm asleep by the time they still doing the announcements. Oh, if you got the what they got, the life vest, you know, they doing the life vest and the seat belt and all that, man. I'm already got my whatever, the eye covers on. I'm already gone like the wind, boy. But anyways, yeah, so I give these officers, you know, 4 out of 5. I think they did a pretty good job, man. And that's it, man. I'll catch you. Let me know in the comment section how well you think the officers did. And, you know, let me know how bad my opinion is. You know, yesterday, there was the one lady that was on one, boy. She kept tagging me it was like every video I dropped, she had something to say. It's like, God damn, it's an opinion. We're all human. Am I not entitled to my opinion? You entitled to yours? I don't get mad at your opinion. It's okay. We can agree to disagree. It is what it is. Man, people be getting caught up in this too much. It's entertainment. Okay, this is entertainment. Come on. It ain't life or death. Relax. You ain't got to tag me in every single comment because you disagree with something that I've said in the video. It's okay for you to disagree. I'm not mad at you. I'm going to do these videos and go about my day. That's it. And I hope you have a good day. Anyway, I'll catch you in the next video. Let me know.